Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Use an administrator account and close background apps that steal I/O. Check Windows Update and pause automatic installs while testing. Next, identify the devices. Note whether source or target are SSD, HDD, USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 or network shares. This matters for expected throughput. Once done, plug drives into native ports, avoid hubs, and disable sleep. These steps remove common interference, so you get a true baseline for copy speed measurements. You now diagnose. Open Resource Monitor and Task Manager to observe disk queue length, CPU spikes, and network throughput. If virus scans or indexing show high I/O, disable Windows Search and pause Defender real-time protection temporarily while copying. Also set power plan to high performance to prevent throttling. For large batches, use Robocopy with multithreading. Try /MT, 8 and low retry /wait values. This improves throughput versus Explorer. Once done, monitor speeds and note any bottleneck, disk, controller, or network. You finish by updating drivers for storage, USB, and network adapters, and verifying controller modes like OSI versus RAID. For network copies, confirm link speed, use 1 Gbps or 10 Gbps NICs, and test SMB tuning. Disable features like large send offload if they harm throughput. After successful copy, re-enable Defender and search. If performance remains poor, run chkdsk and sfc. Swap cables or ports and retest. If nothing helps, note the failing component and escalate to hardware replacement or vendor support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.